being a family, mating and courtship. I met my partner during when I was waiting for the mass, Christmas evening mass. They courting me after the mass. We are dating for 2 years before we get married. Describe the marriage. Our marriage is simple wedding celebration at the church. Initial expectation for our marriage. I expected less or low expectation. Then reflecting and advice. Some memorable moments for early years of marriage, sharing the love, joy, and laughter of being married. Advice that I can give is put God first in your marriage and always review the commitment that you are signing.